Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another AFG Families video.
Guys, today we are going to do a balloon challenge. As you can see, there is 7 colors balloons, and 2 of the balloons are empty, and the 5 of them has the eggs, plain flour, water, milk, and eggs. Juice, sorry. Eggs, plain flour, water, juice, and milk. So these 5 things in other 5 balloons, and I'm gonna write the names, the colors of the balloon on the paper. Then I will wrap it. I will put in this bowl, and after that we are gonna play our in the hallway, and I will offer the balls to Sajjad, Muhammad, Amir, and they will pick up the paper. Any paper has the color, that balloon, I'm gonna cut it on their head. So whatever is inside the balloon, if they are lucky, they will have the empty one. If whatever is in the balloon, it will come on their head or on the face or the body. Okay guys, I'm gonna write the names down. It is blue. It is light blue.
I don't want the egg one, that's the worst
And
one.
it is red.
Are you red?
I don't want the egg or the
green.
flour.
Are you green?
And it is yellow. Yeah, it is yellow.
Are you
And
red?
which color left? Orange. Orange.
Are you orange?
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is
pink.
pink. Pink. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut with the scissor. Okay guys, the scissor is for the cutting balloon on their head, okay? But now I'm gonna use it for my paper. Okay guys, inshallah you will enjoy this video, and don't forget to comment in the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, this is this. I'm cutting it. Okay, so I'm gonna roll it like this.
Dad, can we
So
look?
the dots, no you cannot, no you cannot. Anyway, I will mix it later on as well. It will be not easy to find it. I'm not gonna make it that easy. All will be always.
I want empty, I literally only want empty.
Huh?
I want empty.
Yeah.
Guys, I'll accept water, empty,
Yeah.
and juice. That's pretty much it.
Is okay.
I would,
Yeah.
How about
Eggs.
eggs?
No, actually, I'll accept milk as well.
I want to accept flour and empty.
Okay. How about it's good I didn't put for you chili sauce or something like that.
That would be so much worse.
I love you guys, that's why I don't do this. You know, I make easy stuff for you guys. That you guys enjoy it, I enjoy it, Amir enjoyed it. Are you enjoying it? Okay, we will see. Guys, we are ready. We're gonna go to the hallway, and
Come follow us.
no, you're gonna cheat me. I know you will. Maybe you just check it which one is empty. And guys, no, I will do it. I will do it. No, guys, leave me. I'm gonna do everything.
I'll
Come on
take
with me.
the
Come with me.
scissors.
Because this is.
Dad, you need the
rolling
pen
around.
anymore?
Okay.
No pen anymore.
Okay, guys,
Okay,
come
guys,
follow
Sajjad
us.
Muhammad, come with me, Baba.
Okay.
Amir, come clean this place for me.
Okay.
Can you pick up that? Can you push this one to the end?
Yeah.
Completely, yeah, move it. Well done. Well done, boys. Yes, Baba, move this one as well. Move this one as well. Well done, boys. Well done, boys.
Come on.
Yes. So.
Guys, I push the golden thing in.
No, leave that gold one. Just bring the chair.
Yeah.
Can you bring Muhammad a small chair? Sajjad, you bring the computer chair. And Amir, where you gonna sit?
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
You're sitting in the middle. Dad's gonna bring you the chair, and then you're gonna sit in the middle, okay?
Just you can get me a little bit there. Okay, Muhammad.
Hello.
Okay.
The scissors is there.
It's all the scissors I don't need.
Okay.
Just bring me this Uthman. Okay. I mean, you have to sit in the small one. Okay. Yes.
I'll get you the scissors. I'll put it on top one.
Yeah. Okay. Now.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys again. Now the game the challenge will be starting, and as you can see, the paper and the names of the balloons is in this bowl, and I'm gonna offer first from Sajad. Then whatever the paper he pick up and I will open it and show it to you guys. Then you will see the color which whatever come on his lock. No, first Sajad. Sajad, please
Catch the sheet.
pick up one, yeah? Give it to me, don't open it. Okay? Guys, as you can see, I don't cheat, yeah? I put this one here. Okay? So this one,
What is it?
Sajad, what you like to be?
I just don't want eggs.
Huh?
I just
Even I don't know, but the thing is, guys, even I don't know what is in the guy, but this is light blue. So, like some people call it sky blue, light blue. So, it
Close
is.
your eyes. I hope
It
that's not
is-
a bad one.
Oh my God, Sajad is completely lucky.
No, it's empty.
Sajad is very lucky, but as you guys can see,
Yay!
Sajad was absolutely a lucky man. It's good, it's good, it's good. Thank you guys. Nice. Amir turns is this. Amir, pick up one Habibi. You got it, yeah?
Thanks,
Okay,
guys. That was
guys,
all the second one.
This is the second one. Amir, what you like to be?
Guys, comment down below what you think I'm gonna get.
Superman. Okay. He got, as you can say, blue. Okay, I think Amir is in trouble.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Amir.
Don't tell him
I'm
anything.
gonna get
Even the funny part is, guys, even I don't know what is inside.
Can I move from
But I'm gonna
Can I move?
cut it from here. Amir, you cannot look at me. Look
Close your eyes,
at,
close
look at
your
the
eyes, close your
camera.
eyes.
Look at on the camera.
Oh no. Sorry, yep.
I sure was that.
Oh my elbow.
Oh my God!
Like,
You're so lucky.
No, guys, you cheated me. Come on, man, what is this? Guys, as you can see, I was cutting at an Amir and the balloon had milk and it jumped all over Amir. Look, to make me wait.
That's the best
Even
drama ever.
the milk went on me more than Amir. I cut Amir, but the milk jumped to me. Okay, but look, but still he has it a lot. Anyway, the milk jumped a lot. Anyway, that is Amir finished now. So now
My
we are
turn,
going
guys.
to Muhammad. Guy, yes, Muhammad, pick up one from here.
Please be a ballon. Please be egg so I don't have to have it.
Sajad, what do you like to be on him?
Egg so I don't
Egg.
have to have it.
Guys, wish me luck, please.
What do you want?
I just don't like eggs.
Water, please be water.
What is it?
Guys, it is
Yellow.
yellow. But even
What is
we
that?
don't know
Wait,
what
what
is
is that?
inside.
What is
Yellow.
that?
Oh my God. Don't look, don't look.
Wait, don't look.
Don't look, don't
Guys, wish
look.
me luck, guys.
Don't
Hold on,
look.
hold on.
Oh
Oh!
my God.
Yeah.
Egg.
No,
Oh.
nothing.
Okay, you saw it, guys.
Who
I
touched
told you in the
guys?
starting it was two balloons which were empty.
Uh-oh.
One went on Sajad, one on Muhammad. After that, there is no
You
lucky
lucky.
things.
That wasn't bad.
Okay, now
No,
we're
that's just
going
too
to
empty, guys.
balloon number 4. We are going. Sajad's turn again.
I wanted to get eggs.
Okay,
Can
guys.
I open it?
No.
Sorry, the milk's here. We will clean everything soon, inshallah. I know I'm stepping away from the milk. So, Sajad, what do you want yourself?
No eggs.
Eggs.
Is orange. The
I
color
didn't get it.
of the balloon is orange. So Sajad, don't look.
Yeah, before I
don't
said
look,
I would mind empty or flour. Empty or flour, I don't mind.
Don't look.
Empty
Sajad,
or flour?
don't look.
Don't do
Don't
it.
look. Don't look. Don't look,
Flour.
guys.
I wouldn't mind flour.
Guys, look. Don't look.
Close your eyes.
It's
Oh my
I
God.
said I wouldn't mind
It was
flour. and it
plain
was
flour, guys. That was plain flour.
Plain
So-
flour. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind.
Oh my
It's
God, it
my
was
eye.
nice anyway.
Oh, it's
Ha,
my
ha, 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 ha.
Are you
So maybe going to back, Habibi. Thank you, Galbi. Okay, now guys, balloon number 4 finished.
Now
We're
we
going
have
to
to
balloon
look at
number
it.
5 is Amir turn. Amir, pick up one, Habibi.
This one.
This one? Okay. Amir is happy with balloon number 5. Give me Galbi.
I hope I get water
put mine in this go, guys.
Okay, guys.
I shouldn't have done that.
Look, everywhere, everything go, half of the things go on me. Because it's blowing, you know.
What color did
It's green.
Green.
Oh no! I feel like
So,
it's a bad one.
We will see.
Please be
what
eggs.
is
Please be
green.
eggs. Please be eggs.
Eggs.
Please be eggs.
I think this. I mean, look at the camera. No eggs, no eggs.
It's not
You see,
eggs.
like, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Sorry, Neil. Have a bad
Sorry,
feeling about
Amir.
this.
Say.
Sorry, Neil. Sorry, Neil. I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry, alright?
That was not egg. That is just cream. No, you want egg on you?
That is egg.
You want egg on you? That is egg.
Yes, it does. I'm really good for
Yes. Egg English.
Yes, no.
I'm sorry.
Okay, now,
Oh my god.
I said I wanted it on.
guys, we are going to balloon
Sorry,
number 6.
Amir.
Which one is Muhammad's turn? I think Sajjad will get the most.
I hope I get water, guys, because I want water.
Okay, can I have it? Open it.
Oh no.
Guys, as we saw, milk balloon is finished now, egg balloon finished, plain flower balloon finished. So the balloon number color is red.
Red.
We'll pick up
What is
these.
that? I hope it's
And guys, it's Muhammad's is
Oh,
red
God.
and he's wearing pink. he's wearing pink.
Wait.
What is it? Ew.
What was it? Oh
I
my
think
god, no, you're lucky, you're lucky. It
What
was
is
just
that?
water, man. It was just water, it was just
Just
water.
water?
Yes, let's go.
What is
I want
that?
water.
There's only pink and there's only pink.
Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure that's coconut.
It's coconut.
This is
This,
water.
oh yes,
Yes,
yes.
This is obviously
Okay, this
water.
one
And
we
it's
will
obviously
do.
mine. It's obviously
This is
mine.
Sajjad.
Just look at it.
And you, yes. Guys, as you can see, that was the juice when Muhammad. This is the last bottle of water. So that means the brightness of the
That's not
family.
even fair.
Pink, look how good it is. Pink, 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 and pink. That you have to come all three together.
Okay, now.
Yes. All come three together. Come closer to me, come closer
Oh,
to me,
wait.
closer to me.
Oh no.
Closer to me.
Yeah, I wanted
Yeah.
to.
No, come together, heads together, heads together. Put your heads down, 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 down. Oh, the eggs went. Oh my god. Guys, no, the game is over, balloon finished. But
You're kidding me.
don't think
Oh my
that
God.
I didn't take anything. Everything come and me as well from each balloon. Stay, Baba, stay, don't go down. Let me just give message, Muhammad. Guys, the video is ending here. I hope you enjoy, inshallah. And Muhammad, give a message, Habibi.
If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like,
Stay here.
leave a comment down below, and don't forget to smash the notification button.
Yes!
We love you all. Bye.